Today we're going to be making a whiskey sour. You should stay tuned because this is a classic, and if you don't know it...
You're stupid.
Yes.
Is that not a good one?
That's harsh. I think a little harsh.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. What do we got? We got Dan, we got Ian, and we got Derek. This name cards, just fucking look. We're going to make for you a classic whiskey sour. And the reason is I haven't done this in since we're on the table. I thought we did this, but we've done all kinds of variations. Just never.
We've never done a normal whiskey sour?
Not at this bar that I could find.
Not at this bar, okay, I can see that.
We've done all kinds of like whiskey sour. We did there was one that had something whiskey sour, like a secondary.
Like a New York sour with some wine in it?
We've done all those.
Yeah.
We did the Stone sour with amaretto.
Yep, the amaretto recipe. This drink is not like the whiskey sour I have on recipe.awesomedrinks.com, so we'll figure out if we like this one better or not. It's just a slightly different ratio, but it's going to be 2 ounces of whiskey, 3/4 lemon, 3/4 simple syrup, and an egg white. About 2 tablespoons. You can also, but we'll be doing this later, is use
not in this episode.
aquafaba or this crazy egg whites. And there's different
egg first.
aquafaba type.
Huh?
Kicking myself for not doing the egg first.
Do it in this one.
Yeah. Sorry.
Oh, so you can, what?
So if I fuck
Just
up.
in case.
Oh, yeah, if you fuck up.
You won't fuck up.
Yeah, just do. You can still do it over there. It's an empty one. So the way we're going to do this,
What's
we're
wrong
going
with
to...
your egg?
What?
It
Oh,
won't-
God. Just do it over here. You're going to totally fuck it up.
No, he's not going to fuck it up. I've never seen him
Why
fuck
are you
up
doing
an
it
egg.
there? What are you doing?
Dude, your membrane
Now you
doesn't
really
want to break.
fucked it up.
Oh, wow. The egg is clear. It's actually...
Let's remember, this isn't me. The last time I did an egg, it went all over the countertop, and I got fucking made shit.
Did you?
Yeah.
You sure it was an egg? Yeah, it was an egg.
Yeah, it was an egg.
Yeah.
What the hell did we put that egg
I don't
in?
know, but I thought you...
Oh! What did you just touch me with?
It's just a membrane.
Oh. It's like... I wasn't sure. I never know when I'm not looking. What are you doing? You can't peel
Why
the
are you
thing.
making it worse?
There's no better.
Oh my
Poke
God.
a hole!
I don't know what just happened.
Oh my
Oh
God!
shit!
Oh my God! Oh my
Oh,
God!
that's a good way to do it.
Right, until it doesn't work.
No, the yolk's not even gonna come out. Watch.
Until it does,
It's
and
not.
then we do this
Watch.
again.
It's not.
It's gonna pull it right
No,
out.
it's not gonna do it.
I'm just waiting.
That
For
was
this. That's probably enough. You don't need the whole thing.
Yeah, you
That's
do.
true.
No, it's one
See?
drink. All right.
I just innovated the whole egg white. And
He has a
process.
gentle touch.
I have a beautiful mind.
I have no idea what this is. So what
fabulous.
Egg White Ian is doing right now is he's gonna run it through a dry shake where we're just basically taking the egg white and we're emulsifying it and just bringing all the foam out and putting it into that shaker without ice
You gotta
because ice
shake it.
damages some of the foam while it's kind of emulsifying. You can do it in 2 ways, backwards and forwards. This is the forward. Or is this backwards way?
That's the forward way.
Yeah, you dry shake it, add ice, go. The other way is you add ice, shake it to chill, then
Remove
dry
ice.
shake it.
Yeah.
The problem is
It's a
then
lot
you
of
gotta take
fucking
the ice out. And it's
Yeah,
just,
that's the only problem is you have to strain it twice.
yeah.
But you know what? I think it works better the second way sometimes. I think you get a little bit.
You know,
a little bit like thicker.
I don't know why, but sometimes this cocktail comes out like not as foamy as other times, and I don't know if it's really how aggressive you shake it, how long you dry shake it.
Yeah.
But
Who shakes it?
Look, it's like it looks like cream at this point, but if you give this thing 15 seconds,
Yeah, give it 15 seconds.
probably a little bit
Boy,
longer than
Mississippi.
15.
Super time lapse.
You know what? It's hard too when you're using the
Take it,
dark
take it
syrup.
Yeah,
Take Derek.
It gives it the
it tints the
it
foam a
tints
little
it.
bit.
So then it looks like chocolatey.
Yeah, but otherwise it's just gonna be white. It's still this foamy, so you still can't see it. But see how it's like?
He didn't shake it enough. That's the problem.
Oh, he shook it a lot.
He shook it.
Fudge out of it.
I counted like
See, there's no fudge in there.
10 seconds.
It was not.
You
He's
touched
got
me with the
fucking
membrane.
egg. What do you? He's got like egg pieces all over the place.
Gotta clean it out. Don't worry. I know
It's a
your
good
boss.
thing you have a mat.
Fucking weird. With no egg in it though, because somehow you managed to break an egg without the membrane going with it. So a couple cool things about this. It's an
Tastes good.
ancient drink. See how it's like forming. It's starting to get the little halo thing on the top.
And I have
the
to
nice
put bitters
cream
on
foam.
top.
You could drop some
Ooh.
bitters on top.
Tiki
there-
bitters.
Right. What?
Oh.
There are tiki bitters right there. Right there. Those are for you, by the way.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Nice.
Well,
Tiki,
Tiki
I love
bitters
it.
on this thing?
Huh?
It's
Tiki
good.
bitters on this thing?
Doesn't matter.
Make them fancy.
Aromatic bitters.
So you can see it layered now, right?
Yeah.
Right. It's
You just got to
starting
give it
come
time.
through. Jesus Christ.
Everything just needs a little time.
It's never been opened before. It's just leaking, which is why I didn't sell it, because people do stupid things like put the boxes upside down and then they can't figure out what the fuck. Unfortunately, nobody's going to be able to see these but us.
That's okay.
Well, this is for us. It's not for them.
Did you just put one single drop? Oh,
Oh, yeah.
He's gonna draw. Leave him be.
he's got to draw a
See?
sun. Because that's the only thing you can do when you put a single drop in the middle.
Yeah, I got nothing.
No, you got to do the little ones, and then you drag it, and then it looks like hearts.
Here, do it.
All right.
You've done this before?
Yeah.
No, he hasn't. He has no idea.
It looks like a fucking chocolate starfish. It's perfect. It's like drinking an asshole. Leave it alone.
Great.
It's whiskey sour.
All right, the other one I'll do. The
It's
next
like
one I'll
drinking
do.
an asshole.
Somebody suck that ass.
Yeah, the next one, Derek, you go first.
Hold on. Let me put it
I
back
only get a
over
clean
here.
ass.
You want Derek's sloppy ass seconds?
Yeah, but at least he cleaned it up
That's
first.
true. He's a clean
Right,
guy.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
With a hell of a tongue.
The fuck is going on? Okay. That is a whiskey sour.
Is this for anybody? Are we sponsoring anything here? Or we
Not
just,
yet.
Okay.
God, no.
There will be one.
You gotta tell me
Not
before
anymore.
that. Just tell me before it happens.
You'll know because I will tell you within the first 2 minutes because I think that's the FCC guidelines.
Rusty's Dirty Starfish.
Rusty's?
Served exclusively
You know what?
at Porky's Bar in Flagstaff, Arizona.
Still, I don't care how many starfishes are on there. It's still a good drink.
Oh, yeah. No, whiskey sour is the shit.
So
Like, you never drank one of those.
the beauty
Looks
of the
like
whiskey
a
sour
dendrite or a axon, some kind of nerve cell.
It does.
is it has like that silky smooth texture from the egg whites.
Silky
It's got the
smooth.
nice foam, but it brings like that just the lemon and bourbon combination with that little hint of sweetness.
If you don't like a whiskey sour,
Yeah, the
you know what
better.
the fuck you're doing.
And if you want to make it even cooler, use Liber & Co. Rich Demerara because it's got this is a not Rich Demerara. What do you call it? Gum syrup.
Well, that's what's
So-
going to give it some consistency. It also
Yeah.
gives it the color.
So the gum syrup,
So you guys already said that.
Yeah.
okay, sort of, but the gum syrup also is giving even more silkiness because of the use of the gum instead of just simple syrup. So you're gonna get that silkiness like an egg white, but then you add an egg white in there and it's just like smooth as butter.
So the gum is just like a thick
Yeah.
syrup without adding more
Actual
sugar
sweetness, yeah.
to give it more sweetness.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
The only other way would be to make like a 3-to-1 simple syrup, like
Right.
rock candy syrup,
Yeah,
and then
that'll last like 5 days, maybe, in the
Rock
fridge
candy?
with alcohol. Yeah,
why? Because you're gonna drink it? Or
no,
it
because
turns
it
into
goes
crystal?
bad, doesn't it?
No, it doesn't.
Because you're going to
It never goes bad.
drink it.
Oh, does the higher ratio last longer?
The more sugar in it, the longer it lasts. Because the bacteria apparently dies before it can get anywhere
Bacteria
with
doesn't
it.
have a sweet tooth, huh?
But it will turn into crystals, so that kind of makes it harder.
It gets
to
hard
Yeah. There was.
when you leave it alone.
It's not
If you want to garnish this, we could do in this drink. You could also do a cherry and orange slice, which we didn't do. 'Cause, I mean, when you garnish a drink like that in that glass, you can't even see the cocktail. You're basically just putting it on for half a second.
Or you have to do a little twist or something non.
Yeah,
invasive.
you wanna do like a twist with a cherry, something like that to make it look pretty. But for our
Or maybe
needs,
zest on top. You could do like
Yeah.
a zest. That'd
Good.
be kind of cool.
Yeah.
Like a little rasp it.
so these are Nick and Nora glasses available at awesomedrinks.com. By the way, if you use coupon code October 19th until November 16th or so, you get 15% off. So you can get yourself some Nick and Nora glasses because they are in stock. They can look just like this drink. Then you get yourself some Angostura bitters or your favorite bitter, tiki bitters, and you can use that on the
Stick
top.
them on
and
top.
Boom! Stop. You
Perfect. Is
chocolate
this,
starfish that.
Bar ango? Or is it stock ango?
No, that's bar. I took it out of stock to put in bar because there is none, and we're gonna need it.
Yes.
Ah,
I'm going to jump ahead.
you're gonna.
You could totally jump
I'm going to do a little behind the scenes here while he's in front of the scenes.
behind the scenes, in front of the scenes, fourth wall.
Fourth wall
He's
break.
breaking the fourth
Oof.
wall. Other than that, do I have
Can
anything
only
else to
one
tell
of
you?
us do that?
What's that?
Can only one of us do that?
No.
Recipe.awesomedrinks.com if you
I'll
want to
bring the
get
fifth
a
wall.
whiskey sour recipe. I have to figure out if this whiskey sour recipe is slightly different than what we have out there. The thing I like about this one,
I
don't
like
know,
this one.
Is it's simple. It's 2 3/4 3/4. You don't have to think
How
about
else do
any
you do
other
it?
things. There's a different ratio of lemon to.
That's in like
Simple
2-1-1.
I've done 2
Sometimes
half,
it's a little
3/4.
It might be 2 1/2 3/4 or 2, yeah, something like that.
Yeah, it's still like 2 1/2, 3/4. I can't remember what the half and what the 3/4 is. Well, I know it's
That's the thing, is if you do 2 3/4 3/4, then you know your
It's
core
easy.
spirits 2,
Right.
and then the rest of this shit is always 3/4. Bitters to taste. Boom, you're done. It's like fucking
You got
magic.
that shit.
Boom.
Boom.
Boom. Now, we're done. So there's going to be a sidebar over there. It's got some more videos. We'll do maybe whiskey videos and maybe some tasting videos down below. There's also some
You're
starter
gonna love
kits. Get your bartender starter kit with your bitters and your Nick and Nora glasses. You're set up to go for the holidays. Shit, that's already coming up, you know.
Yeah. Cheers.
That's it.
Time to plan.
Plan now. Because we'll teach you how to drink.